Hi, welcome back after a long hiatus. So, how's the lockdown treating you? As for me, I used the lockdown to learn a lot of things. I improved on my baking skills and I did a lot of certifications from Coursera. Now, let's get back to where we left last time. We were talking about group discussions, GD, and today I'm going to talk about the different types of GDs. So, the different types of GDs we have, the first one is a case-based GD. The next one is current affairs. The next one is a GD based on a debatable topic. Then we have an abstract topic, and the last one is a picture-based GD. So now first today let's discuss about a case-based GD. I'm going to give you a very simple situation, okay? And this topic is going to be thrown open to you and see what you think about this topic. So I'll just read out the situation to you. The situation is that you have been partnered with a co-worker on a project and you're very enthusiastic about it, as you see it as an opportunity to prove yourself. However, you see that the co-worker is least interested. He's laid back, he's arrogant, and he's not ready to do his bit. How do you handle the situation, as you're not very far away from the deadline? So we have given you a situation and now you have to start discussing about this. So now before you start discussing about it, let me tell you about the different steps that you need to follow when you have such a GD. That's a case-based GD. So the different approaches, the first step is, first is analyze the situation. And how do you analyze the situation? You break it down into small pieces, okay? The next step is be clear about the objectives. Like in this particular case GD, you know what your objective is. Your objective is that you need to complete the project effectively and efficiently. So that's your target, that's your objective. The third approach would be a problem definition. That is, try to understand what the problem is. For example, try to understand why your colleague is behaving in this manner. Try to know if there is some previous or past incident which has caused him to behave like this with you. He doesn't like you, or he's inherently like this. So try to analyze and find out what the problem actually is. The next approach would be to evaluate different alternatives. So different alternatives, like in this particular situation, it can be talk to the co-worker, or talk to a mutual friend and tell him to intervene, or if nothing improves, then go to your immediate superior and explain how the situation is. And the last one that goes for every GD is, please remember that no, one size doesn't fit all. So for a different situation, it's a different approach all the time. So that was a case-based GD. Let's move on to the next one that I said, which is an event in news, which is current affairs. So what are we all currently talking about? We are talking about COVID-19, Corona. And the current affairs based on this can be what are the economic impacts of Corona. So that can be one of the current affairs topic. The next is a debatable topic. So it can be, are women better managers than men? Love marriages versus arranged marriages, money versus knowledge. So all these are debatable issues where you need to debate. The next topic is abstract topic. So abstract topic, I can give you something as simple as black versus white or red versus green. In abstract topics, they're looking for how creative you can get, how you can think out of the box. So that's what an abstract topic is all about. And the last one is a picture-based GD, wherein they show you a picture and then you're supposed to analyze the picture, what you think about the picture. So these are the different types of GDs. In the next session, we are going to talk about how to introduce a topic, how to take part in the group discussion, and how to conclude or summarize the group discussion. Please stay with me in this journey of training you on group discussions and personal interview. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much.